Story of the saying. Halima returned to her old habit. A long time ago, there was a woman named Halima, the wife of Hatim Al-Tai, who was famous for his generosity. But unlike her husband, Halima was known for being very stingy. She would cook with very little butter, or sometimes none at all. One day, her husband told her about an old saying, "Whoever cooks with lots of butter will live longer." Halima believed him and started using more butter in her cooking. She kept this new habit for many years. But then, something very sad happened. Her only son died. Halima was heartbroken and wanted to die too, so she stopped using much butter again, hoping her life would be shorter. And that's how the saying, Halima returned to her old habit, was born. It's used when someone goes back to an old habit after changing for a while.